Hello, and thank you for coming back to Tiffany's Creations. We sure appreciate you coming. Today we're going to be making something special for Christmas. It's Christmas time. We got a lot of DIYs in store for you, and I hope you subscribe so you don't miss any. Alright, so what we're making today is
a giant yard lollipop.
Yay!
For our Christmas decor. We're doing a Candyland theme.
And we're going to do my yard, and at the end when we got everything done, when we do other things that we're going to show you how to do, we're going to do a video of what it looks like. So I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to do this. I've always wanted to make these lollipops, and we are making them. So the first thing we're going to do is, we got these at the Dollar Tree. We have two of them that you have to hot glue them together because they have to be long enough to roll them up into a giant lollipop. So we've already done that. And then the next thing you're going to do is take some of this white tape. We have the 3/4 inch tape. It's a duct tape that we got at Lowe's. They were all out of tape at
Final electrical tape. She said
but it'll
tape.
work.
It's electrical tape.
Oh, well, it's just
white.
It's a nice tape.
Did you say what size it was?
3/4 inch.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is go to the end of your pool noodle. It's easier with two people. So one person can do the tape and one can do the twisting. So that's what we're going to do so that we get done quicker. So we're going to show you how to start it. You want to go down diagonal. You just put that piece at the top. I'm going to twist it, and Tiffany's holding the tape. And you're just going to keep going down the whole pool noodle.
You don't want to pull it tight.
Right. So we're going to do
let
this.
It flow and relax.
You want me to pause it, or you want to just keep going?
You could keep going.
Alright, so we're going to just keep it going. I was going to pause it, but hey. It looks cool, right? Isn't it cool looking? Don't get dizzy looking at them things going around in a circle now. This is going to be so cool. I think the lollipops in the yard are such a great kitty look, you know, like a nice kitty looking house, because who doesn't like Candyland? We grew up with
like
Candyland.
Gingerbread house or something.
Yeah. Hey, let's make a gingerbread house out of the kids' playhouse.
Oh, Lord.
Ooh, that's a good idea. That would be a really good idea, right? Ooh.
Well, I did have it in mind, but I don't think time is on my side this year.
Oh, we could try. That would be a good thing.
It would be fun because I enjoyed doing the Halloween one.
Yeah, she did a Halloween one, not this year, but last year. And it was really, really cool how it turned out. But this year she'd have my help, so it wouldn't take as long.
Yeah, but with the kids only being in school 2 days a week,
Yeah.
that makes it a little harder.
You get to the end, then you're going to cut it.
Cut it and
Tape the end. Push the, like that. Push the end down. Just like this end. Oops, I'm sorry. Look, this end.
you know what she's
too.
doing.
Okay, so now what you're going to do is get your hot glue gun out. And you want to start at the end because you're going to roll it up into form a lollipop. You're going to see it looks really cool. So you put a clump there, and as you do that, I will take the glue gun because it's better to work together as a team. You get done quicker. Let Mommy get this. Some glue sticks. Because you're going to need probably 2 or 3 glue sticks.
Anyway, for it to harden and form.
Yeah, so do you want to pause it as we...
You can pause it while this part dries, and then we can let them watch us roll it in a minute. We'll be back once this part dries.
Alright. Alrighty, so we let it sit for a couple minutes, and now we're going to take your glue gun, and you're just going to go along the top. It's better to work with 2 people, and you're just going to put a line of hot glue
In the middle.
in the middle of the pool noodle going up. So she's going to twist it. And you're going to need a couple sticks of glue to do one lollipop. So while she twists it, I'm going to go with the hot glue gun. And it's like a teamwork thing. It goes way quicker with 2. And then you just keep rolling it. It's gonna look so cool when it's done. Okay. I feel like a drunk person. Okay. And tell them what you're doing, Tiffany. How you just
I'm just putting pressure on it to keep it together and rolling it. In the middle, Ma.
Well, gee whiz. Can't really see
your
that
glasses.
well. Well, you keep turning stuff and twisting stuff. I almost said the S word.
I could put this back. Try and come over this way.
Which way?
Right over this way. Okay.
Look at that cool looking lollipop. See how easy and so quick and really cheap too. This is cheap yard decor for Christmas time that you can make stuff from the Dollar Tree, and it's great to be able to do that. This looks really good, but we are not done. So what we did is we went to Lowe's and we got 1/2-inch pipe, and we had it cut to 3-foot pieces. This is going to be the stick of the lollipop. So as soon as this has a time to dry, then we're going to put the stick in it and show you how to do that. So we'll be back as soon as this is dry. All right, so now that we have the lollipop rolled up and it looks so cool. Show them, T. Look at that. Look how nice that looks, and the glue dried. So now the next step is we're going to put in the PVC pipe. We got the 1/2-inch from Lowe's, and you're just going to take it. It's going to go through. Hang on, let me move this here. Just going to take it. Should I go here because then there ain't no tape in the way? Because wait, this end. Let me use this end. This end's a little bit sharper. So just it goes through pretty easy. You're just going to push it into the pool noodle and twist it a little bit. And you want to make sure you get in the middle of the pool noodle because, hang on, I didn't have a problem before. Let's see. Watch your wrist. It's the glue.
I mean the glue.
The tape.
Tape. We'll get it around. It'll go around. Just twist it.
There we go. That should be good. Okay, now we got the handle in, well, the stick, the lollipop stick, and this is how it's gonna look. Look at that lollipop. That's so cool, but we're not done yet. You can't have lollipop candy without a wrapper. You gotta put a wrapper on it. So we used the clear cellophane, and you're gonna use a whole roll for one lollipop, and you're gonna need more than one lollipop. Because, well, you don't have to, but we're using more than one lollipop because we're going to do the house, in the Candyland theme. So we're going to make a few of them. We're going to line the driveway. It's going to look so cool. We're making other stuff. And you're going to want to subscribe so you can see what else we make. And I'll do a short video of the yard when it's all finished for Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas, and it's so nice. And the grandkids, they love it. They love going around looking at decorations, which I'm sure we all did when we were little. Didn't you like to go looking at lights when you were little? Remember, we used to go driving around?
Yeah, I remember. It should be like a tradition.
Yeah, I mean, it's like you drive and you go, ooh, look at this one, that one. So you put that on like that, and just wrap it around.
Folded the middle in and then took the back and then rolled them in.
Okay, and then we're going to take a pipe cleaner. We got these at Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to wrap it around and hold this into place. Oops.
Twist it when you get to the back.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, and then you just twist that on there. And to make it look a little more festive, we are going to make a bow. We got ribbon here. That's fine because this goes right over top. This is going to go over here.
Yeah, I already cut a piece.
I'm just going to make a pretty little bow. This is such a cool thing. I've always wanted to make one of these. Now I made one. Can pop that off my bucket list, right, Tiff?
That's right.
It's gonna look so. Skydiving's neat. Skydiving, no. Zip lining. I'll do zip lining, but I ain't doing skydiving. This summer we went on a little. Me and the two girls, my other daughter Amanda and Tiffany. We went to North Carolina and we went rafting. It was so fun.
Yeah, that was.
It was so fun. I'm just gonna tell you one thing. When you're holding on to that inner tube, make sure you keep your butt up. Because when you go fast and you go over some of them fun, rocky things, if your butt's not up, you're going to really hurt yourself. But it was so much fun. It's nice to do things. You got to do things. You got to make memories. All right, so Tiff's doing a nice little bow here. And this is going to be nice. It is going to turn out nice. Just gotta lift it and fluff it. Let me get my hands in here. And just pull it.
Not too
make
hard.
Make it look like a bow. Yeah, look at that. And put this one down this way. It's so pretty. These look so nice. I really, really, really like how these turned out. And we're gonna do a few more to put them along the driveway. Now we already did do another one. I want to show them both of them, Tiff. So they can see. And a tip I'll tell you is for the cellophane, like we bought all different colors, but we just used the white for these. And they have these bags you can get at Dollar Tree as well, the gift bags. But they didn't have any plain ones. These have snowflakes on them. Tip didn't want to use them, so we didn't use them. We'll use it for something else. But there's the green lollipop. You could take it closer. So they could see it. It looks so cool. So Candyland-ish. And that's what we are doing, Candyland. I mean, who didn't like to play Candylands when they were a kid? I saw what you did with that lollipop. We're going to have a battle in a minute. Anyway, here's the other one that we made. We made a red one and a green one, Christmas colors. But we got purple we're going to make, and orange and white. They're going to look so cool. I really like them, but thank you so much for watching. They turned out good. And please subscribe so you can see the other things that we're going to make, okay? And have a good day and be good. Thanks for watching.